David, where are you? They're gonna come down. You ready? Okay. I'm gonna position myself. When you guys come down, you have to come down together, side by side. You ready? Okay, come on. Come on, side by side. Come on. Come on.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I want to touch his face. Look at that little. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Oh, they're so tiny.
Pick them up.
Oh, come here. I want to kill them.
Girls, be quiet.
Oh.
Get one, John.
Jonathan, pick one up.
Okay. I like you. You seem cool. Oh, you want me to pick them, don't you?
Pick one up already.
Pick one up. They're coming.
Be
I'm
gentle.
freaking out right now. Oh my god.
Grab him from his little bottom, Jonathan. There you go. What do you guys think?
They're cute. That I'm like.
Which one do we pick? We can only pick one.
That one.
I'm kidding.
Oh, thank God.
Well,
That one's mine.
shut it down, girl. Be nice.
Oh, which girls are you talking to? That one or this one?
Sorry to wake you up. Was it worth it?
Yeah.
I
I won't be coming upstairs tomorrow. I'm gonna be right here all day. Am I dreaming?
No, that's the thing.
Are you dreaming? No.
I think it was getting ignored.
Okay, poor Fiona's gonna